shadows just fade away. Suddenly the world feels new, every color shining through. No need to question or control, just trust the rhythm of the whole. A gentle pulse beneath our feet, where every moment feels complete. Curiosity comes the guide, with open heart and open eyes. Life reveals its hidden art, as wonder fills the quiet heart. Serious thoughts begin to fall, there's no demand, no need at all. We laugh at rules that used to bind, and let imagination unwind. The world becomes a place to roam, where joy and freedom feel like home. Each breath a spark of pure delight, each step a dance of inner light. No separate me, no separate you, all lines dissolve in something true. Connection blooms in every face, a shared existence, endless space. Through innocence we start to see, life is more than what must be. It's not a puzzle to decode, but an adventure gently flowed. Playfulness holds sacred ground, joy in every sight and sound. The heart returns to childlike grace, and finds the truth in every place. This state reveals a wider view, where unity comes into view, and through that lens we start to find harmony for humankind. In innocence, no fight remains, no victory, no loss, no chains. Just open skies, and open mind, and love in every form.